Today we will do how to do troubleshooting when m.c.b trips. Now each house has got about 5 or 10 m.c.bs. If one of them trip, that means there is a short circuit somewhere. So how to find out where is the short circuit? So once one of the m.c.b trips, you check your house which areas do not have power. It could be one fan is not having power, one light is not having power, and maybe one plug point is not having power. So one of these three is having a short circuit. So what you do is you power off all these three items by the switch. Keep the switch in the off position for the fan, the light, and the plug which don't have power, and then you reset the m.c.b. So now this m.c.b will not trip because you have already powered off all the three items which were controlled by this m.c.b. So now what you do, you power on one of them, all the three one by one. So let's say you power on the fan by keeping the switch in the on position. And now if the m.c.b does not trip, it means there is no short circuit in the fan. Then you do the same for the light. Power on the light by keeping the switch in the on position and see if the m.c.b trips. If the m.c.b trips, that means there is a short circuit in the light, for which electrician will be required. And if it does not trip, that means that there is no short circuit in the light. And then you can power on the third item, which is the plug point. And now if the m.c.b trips, that means there is short circuit in the plug point. So now you can keep the power off in the defective item, for example the plug point, and you can reset the m.c.b and you can use the fan and the light till the electrician comes and repairs the plug point.